Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I am Amjad Ali here from Doha, Qatar, and today we will discuss the fundamental of chemistry part 2. First of all, I want to give you a preview of my lecture number 1 on the same topic, fundamental of chemistry. In our previous lecture, Fundamental of Chemistry, we have discussed what is chemistry. Chemistry is a branch of the science which deals with the study of composition of matter, properties of matter, and chemical changes involved in it. Then what is matter? Matter, anything which has some mass and occupies the space, is called matter. What is the basic unit of matter? Basic unit of the matter is the atom. And then what is atomic number? Atomic number of proton or number of electron present in an atom is called atomic number. When atoms combine, elements are formed, and all elements are arranged in a table that is called periodic table. In periodic table, 8th A group are called noble gases. All the other elements, they try to get the electronic configuration of the noble gases. For this purpose, they may lose the electron or they may gain the electron or may share the electron. So in this way, they combine with one another and to form the compounds. Now we are going to start in the today lecture for the next. What is ion? Ion, any charged particle is called ion. Any charged particle is called ion. And ion, it will be of the two types, positive ion and negative ion. Positive ion may also be called cation, and negative ion, it may also be called anion. I give you the example here. Metal atom always formed cation, positive ion, and non-metal always formed anion, negative ion. Like for example, it is the famous example of a metal sodium. It formed Na plus, and Cl chloride. It's a famous example of non-metal. So it will form negative ion, I mean anion. So here it is cation and it is anion. So NaCl is formed. And in silver chloride, silver is a metal and it form cation. Chloride, it is a non-metal, it form anion. So in this way, a compound is formed that is ionic compound. Now I give you more detail about that how a cation is formed. Always in the chemistry, whenever a atom lose the electron, it will get the positive charge. If it lose one electron, it will get one positive charge. If it lose two electron, it will get two positive charge. So what happened? Always, whenever a atom lose the electron, it will form a cation, positively charged ion. Look at here, it's sodium. Sodium, its atomic number is 11. In first shell, it has 2 electron. In second shell, it has 8 electron. And in last shell, it has 1 electron. If it lose this 1 electron, its outermost shell will complete and it will get the electronic configuration of noble gas. So in this way, sodium will change into sodium ion, sodium cation, and that 1 electron will come with there, and it will have here plus 1 charge. So this one is the example for the formation of a cation. Now look at for anion, how anions are formed. Always in the chemistry, whenever any atom gain electron, it will form negative charge. So gain electron mean excess of electron, so it will form negative charge. For example, if any atom gain 1 electron, it will get minus 1 charge. If it gain 2 electron, it will get minus 2 charge. So for example, chlorine, it's the famous one. Its atomic number is 17. In first shell, it has 2. In second, 8. And in third, 7 electron. So now it requires 1 more electron to complete its shell. So it will gain that 1 electron. If it gain this 1 electron, it will change into chloride ion. So in this way, chloride anion is formed, and there will be a minus 1 charge because 1 electron gain here, its outermost shell complete, so minus 1 charge is there. Okay, when there are cation and anions. So cation positively charged, anion negatively charged. If they come close to one another, there will be a force of attraction. That force of attraction is called ionic bond. Look at here. Whenever anion is there, cation is there, opposite charges, when they come close to one another, there will be a force of attraction. It is called electrostatic force of attraction, and it is ionic bond. Look at here this sodium ion, and it is chloride ion. Due to this force of attraction between positive and negative charge, they come close to one another and will form a ionic bond. And this sodium chloride is a compound because it has ionic bond, so it is called ionic compound. So what is ionic compound? Any compound which has ionic bond is called ionic compound. For example, so famous example is the sodium chloride. I already explained you about this one, sodium chloride. In it, sodium and chloride, they form ionic bond with one another. Another example can be sodium fluoride. Sodium is also a metal, so it will form cation, and fluoride it will form anion. And how they form the ionic bond between one another? Sodium same, it will lose this one electron, and fluorine it require one electron to complete its outermost shell, so it will form plus, it will form negative, and opposite charge they attract to one another and they will form a ionic compound. So sodium fluoride is also the best example of ionic compound. So I don't want the lengthy lectures with this one, but today I'm going to end for this lecture. Take care of you and especially take care of the peoples around you. Okay, Allah Hafiz.